Hello everyone, and thank you for choosing the FlexiSpot E7PRO standing desk. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete unboxing and assembly process step by step. And don't worry, the E7PRO is straightforward to assemble. You can have it fully set up in around 15 minutes. After you place your order, you'll typically receive 2 separate packages within about a week. Why 2 packages? This way, every part gets better protection and more space during shipping. Here's what's included. 2 desk feet and 4 foot pads, 2 lifting columns, 2 side brackets, control box, power cable, keypad. Inside, you'll find all the parts clearly packed, and all the screws are separated and labeled to make assembly easier. For easier setup, the crossbeam and the control box come pre-attached. Plus, we've included a magnetic cable cover and cable tray to keep your setup neat and organized. If you ordered a desktop along with the frame, it will be shipped separately in its own package. Place the crossbeam on the floor with the rubber strip side facing up. Align the side brackets the same way and attach them to both ends of the beam using the A screws. Lay the desktop face down on top of the cardboard for protection. Make sure the pre-drilled holes are facing up. Place the assembled frame on top. Start by aligning one side and gently screw in one E screw by hand. Don't fully tighten it yet. Now loosen the 4 screws in the middle of the beam to adjust the width. Once the other side is aligned with the holes, go ahead and secure the desktop using the E screws. Don't worry, the desktop has pre-drilled holes, so alignment is straightforward. And don't forget to retighten the 4 center screws on the crossbeam that you loosened earlier. Place the lifting columns into both ends of the frame. Make sure the motor ports are facing inward. Secure them using C screws and tighten them properly to keep the desk stable. Next, attach the desk using D screws. Use a crisscross pattern when tightening. This helps with balance. You can also adjust the small pads underneath for extra stability if needed. Time to install the keypad. I prefer to put it on the right side because I'm right-handed. There are pre-drilled holes on both sides of the desktop, so you can choose whichever side works best for you. Now let's connect the cables. You'll plug in the left and right motors, plus the control panel, into the central control box. These cables sticking out don't look great, so we've included a magnetic cable cover. Just snap it in place and you're all set. Since you might want to plug in a power strip or other devices, we've also included a cable tray which you can mount using the E screws. Now, carefully lift the desk upright. Plug it in and test the up and down motion to make sure everything works smoothly. If you encounter any issues, feel free to reach out to our customer service team. And thank you again for choosing the FlexiSpot E7PRO. Enjoy your new setup.